Nicole and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to our little kingdom going on over here in this little magical Halloween town we got going on for the meantime. This is Gamora. If you have not figured it out already, I am Gamora. This is a Gamora video, as you see by the title, and I am so excited to present to you this look. I will be posting. I did do this look. I recreated a look that I did, I think it was 2 years ago. I will post that over here so you guys get to see my before and after. This did take quite a while. I did start off with the witch that you see on my channel the day before. Again, I am filming this a month in advance, so if there's a difference, here you are. But I did film the witch the day before. Well, I filmed it the same day, but I'm posting it the day before. So if you want to see before the whole green look, day before is where it's at. But from the witch to now, I have been filming since 4 and it's currently almost 11 o'clock. So it has been a very long time filming. But I hope you guys enjoy. And enough of me rambling, because I ramble a lot. Let's get on to the video. Hello everyone. Okay, so I know it looks like I'm all made up already, but up to this point I did in the witch tutorial that I have done previously. So if you want to know how I got to this point, everything you need to know is in that video. But for the most part, I'm just doing the details after the green because I had to do this twice in one day because I was gonna do it 2 different days, but then I realized that the green that I used that I would need for both of them, I hit pan on already. So I decided, like, why not do just 2 in 1? And because Gamora, other than the green slap on, it's just details and all that stuff. And the face, it's pretty much just a little bit of details. But everything else, everything up to this point, I would have in the witch video. So if you want to get that, I'll leave the link down below, or I'll have you something or other pop up right about now, so you can go check out that video first. But for the meantime, let's get started with Gamora. Okay, so as I previously stated in the witch video, to be able to get this green, I used light green in the Mehron Paradise AQ palette, I believe it's called. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave a link down below. I got it in Amazon, so I don't know where I'm gonna post, from where I'm gonna put the link of, but I got mine on Amazon. So I'll put that one and I guess a few other links to where you can find it for the most part. Let me pull up Gamora real quick. So this is an old picture that I did of Gamora. You can see that. I will actually put the real picture up here. I don't know why I'm playing. I did do Gamora previously. It was based off of a Jordan Hanz Gamora video. I will also link that over here if you want to see that one. And I will post up a picture of Gamora, Jordan, and my pictures just so you guys can see where my thought process is up to this point. So yeah, my highlight looks poppin'. Let me stop rambling and let's get on to the video. So I am currently taking the Amazon green from the Mehron palette to outline where I want the black to go. You can't see the bottom part for a lot of this video, but I will show it over time. Alright, now I'm going in with the black. This is a water activated paint, so you do need water, but honestly I prefer water than creams anyways. I've started off with creams and it just transfers way too much. So I'm just going in, getting all that black paint. We will set it afterwards, so do not worry. I got paint all over me. Yeah, try to make sure not to touch anything. I try to do the opposite side first so nothing really transfers, and then I go on the same side. I am only a righty, so it was a little difficult. Okay, so I ended up going through most of the black already. Now I am setting it with a little bit of the green Morphe 35C palette. Now I'm going in to do a little shading. I did start off with like a darker green and then I went in with a black eyeshadow. It's kind of like just to shade it in, add a little bit more dimension to the little boob area. Okay, now I'm setting it again with the green in the 35C palette. So I am setting it with a black eyeshadow, and I'm setting the green with the green from the 35C palette again. I did have to repaint over because it did transfer just a little bit. Okay, so now we'll be taking kind of like a lighter black or kind of more like a gray to outline to make it look like an actual shirt. It's kind of like shading it in a little to make it look a little bit more lifted up rather than just sitting straight on the skin. And I will be also doing this going back and forth with, it's a black or gray eyeshadow, just kind of like adding a little bit more definition. I'm taking the silver from the Mehron palette, of course with water and everything, and creating the shapes that Gamora has on her clothing. So I don't really specify too much on, like, I made really random shapes, and honestly any shape will suffice. Any shape would be good, and I don't really pay attention to like the silver looking a little like messy, because later on I will go in and clean it up. Now I am going in to make the lines. So she does have some white lines on her face. I do kind of just look at a reference picture and draw it out. I got like a random brush, but then I realized I needed a thinner brush. So you will see I'll change it in a little bit. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my Wow. Now that took a while. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Okay, so this is my Gamora makeup look. I filmed so long, I turned green. I'm just kidding, obviously. You saw. I painted all this. Painted green. So, I would say that I need to buy more green now because I hit pan on the lightest shade, not the lightest shade green, but the lightest shade that I use, because I use two greens in the Mehron palette. I did hit pan on one of them. So, yeah. I gotta get more greens, but for the most part, I pretty much like how I came out. I did start off already with some green on me because of the fact that, I mentioned it earlier, but because of the fact that I did the witch first before this makeup look. I did film the witch, so if you haven't seen the witch, you should go check it out to already know how to start off with the greens, applying them, how it sets, how I should set it, or how you should set it, you know, whole shebang. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my videos. Comment different looks you want me to do. Comment if you like the look. Comment what other characters you want me to do. Comment questions. Ask me any question you want. I will answer them. I will answer every single comment and every single question. So do not be afraid to leave something down below to let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, tell me. I want to hear feedback. I want to hear what you don't like, what you do like. Tell me as much feedback as you can throughout these videos because I want to progress as much as possible throughout this time and throughout this craziness that I am pursuing right now. Like if you enjoyed this video, comment down below your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend, send the links to a friend, get everybody on my little family that we got going on here, to my little prince and princesses over there behind the camera. Welcome to our kingdom where we all strive to be the best person that we can possibly be, and we have total freedom to do whatever it is that we just feel like doing. If you want to look like Gamora one day, then why not, you know? Ooh, another thing that I'm thinking about like right now in this moment, so you're literally seeing the craziness right now of my thought process. I just thought of something. I want to not necessarily do a vlog, but kind of do a video of me going out like this. You know, like paint from head to toe before Halloween and actually go out and just film people's reactions. Film my reaction, everybody else's reactions. I feel like that would be fun because I went today to, I'm rambling, but I went today to Starbucks right after the witch, so I was all green, and I did have like how you saw me at the beginning of this video is how I was. I went to Starbucks like that. I went through the drive-thru, so not many people saw me, but the drive-thru guy did see me, and he was like, whoa, like, hello, hi, how are you, like, who are you trying to be? And then he was like, are you trying to be Gamora from Avengers? Because I think I just saw you in the last movie. And I'm like, yes, of course. I wasn't looking like Gamora yet, but you know, I told him the whole run through and he understood. He said he was gonna subscribe, so if you're out there, Starbucks guy, because I didn't get your name, comment down below, let me know, you know. So yeah, so like, comment down below bell, subscribe, send the link to a friend, get everybody on the family, and I love you guys. Bye.
Set my heart on fire.